Hello everyone, Emily Joan Smith here. How are we doing today? So today I want to give you some tips and advice on how to be more proud of yourself, because being proud of yourself is actually an amazing feeling. It brings you joy and happiness and just this warmth. And I don't think a lot of us are proud of ourselves enough. Maybe because we haven't done enough things to be proud of, or maybe because we don't know how to be proud of ourselves. But in this video, I'm going to focus on telling you how to create more moments in your life so that you can be more proud of yourself. Because I think throughout our lives, we stumble upon moments that make us proud, when actually we can proactively make moments that we're proud of. So I was going on a walk around midday, and literally when I go on walks I have these crazy ideas that are great. So if you're stuck for ideas, go on a walk, clear your head, and I'm sure things will pop into your head. But anyway, that's off topic. So how to be more proud of yourself, how to create more proud moments. This is what you do. I want you to grab a pen or paper, if you're not driving or something like that right now, grab a pen and paper, and literally write down all the things that have made you proud in your past life. Write them all down, as many as you can think of, from when you were a child to now. Write down the things that made you proud. And then what I want you to do is, I want you to write why you were proud of yourself. What qualities did you portray in your life to make yourself proud, to be able to do that moment and have that proudness? What did you have to do to get there? And next to each thing that you're proud of, I want you to write why you were proud of yourself. Because what we don't realise is sometimes it's not the thing itself that we're proud of. It's the qualities that we had to use to be able to do that thing that we're proud of. So let me explain this to you. I'm going to tell you a few things that I'm proud of in my life. And I was thinking of this on my walk. I was like, what am I proud of? What have I done in my life that I'm proud of? And the first thing that came to my mind is, I went to South Africa when I was in secondary school, and we worked with the township kids, and they taught us how to sing and dance, and we taught them how to sing and dance, and it was like different kind of culture, kind of vibe things. Anyway, they taught us how to do African dancing, and it's very different to any other kind of dancing. And anyway, they asked me to go up on stage and show everyone else how I was doing it. And I was so proud of that, because they didn't ask anyone else to do that. And I was like, okay, I'm going to do this. And it was kind of like, it was like really kind of like down low kind of vibes thing. Anyway, it was amazing. And then I was thinking on my walk, why was I proud of that moment? And the reason I was proud of that moment is because I put so much energy into it. I put so much effort into it. I put so much of myself into that moment. I put so much, like I did as much as I could to be the best me at that specific moment. And then I thought of another moment. What was I proud of? So in secondary school, every year they did these kind of awards, and you could get awards for like maths or science or PE. But there were these 3 big awards that only 3 people got every single year. And in my last year of secondary school, I got one of the big awards. And I was so proud of myself, and I thought, so why was I proud of myself? And the reason I was proud of myself is because I put so many years of effort into doing sports and doing drama at my school, and gave myself to the school in a way that other people didn't. And I was thinking, what qualities did I have to use to be able to get that trophy? And the thing is, it's not getting the trophy itself, it's what that trophy represents. It wasn't doing that dance in front of everyone itself, but it was what that represented. So what I'm trying to tell you here now is the things that we're proud of, it's not necessarily the things itself, but it's how we had to be as a person. It's what we had to put into that thing. And I'm telling you this now because once you realize the qualities that make you proud, you can make more proud moments in your life. If in your list, as you wrote down the things that have made you proud up to now in your life and why you were proud of that moment. So for example, maybe you're proud of something because you put in consistent work for it. or you're proud of something because you gave it your all, or you're proud of something because you did something that you've never done before and you tried your hardest. And they're the things why you're proud of that thing. Once you realize why you are proud, you can do more things like that and create more proud moments in your life and more joy and more happiness, because you know what makes you proud as a person. You know how to be proud of yourself because you know what qualities make you proud. I really hope you're getting this, because it kind of came into my head today and I just thought, wow, mind blown. But yeah, so if you know what qualities make you proud, it's not specifically the thing that you did that makes you proud, but the things that you put into it that made you proud, you can make and create more proud moments in your life. And who wouldn't want to be proud of themselves? Who wouldn't want to have that feeling of joy and triumph and I did this, me, myself, I. So what I've come to realize is what I'm proud of is when I put myself out there, when I don't care what people think of me, and when I give it my all. So I can start doing them 3 things and create more proud moments, like these videos, like being on YouTube, like having a podcast. All 3 of them things have to go into me doing them things, and therefore I am proud. Mind blown. But yeah, so just think about in your life what's made you proud, why you were proud of that thing, and how you can create more proudness. I don't think that's a word, but we're going to go with that. How you can be more proud of yourself in your life. So yeah, thank you so much for liking. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If it's resonated with you, please give it a like, give it a share, and please subscribe to my channel. Please like my page, whatever. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow with another new video. And like I said, mind blown. Thought of that on my walk this morning and just thought, I'm going to start making myself more proud of myself, because we need more of that on this planet. We need to realize our greatness. We need to realize how amazing we are as human beings. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow with another new video. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're keeping safe, and try to stay positive, try to keep safe, and I will see you tomorrow.